Say hi to them, baby. Hi. Konnichiwa. So today, mag-walking kami ni Waffle outside for a while. John, just stay here, huh? Okay. Saglit lang guys, ha? Love you, John. Just stay home. We will back soon. Hello, mga loves! Talaga ako din naka-lives, mga loves. Kasi bese si Waray. Bese sa mga Junakins. Bese talaga, Jai. Ito yung, dito ko ilalagay yung pupo ni Waffle. So, hindi muna ako mag-makeup today. Ito lang muna yung aura natin, no? Minsan, din tayo, walang makeup. And, pero ano talaga tayo dito, guys? Yung mga, tissue paper. Ay! Mati! He can't wait to go out! May mga tayo dito, guys, mga tissue paper. Para pag magpupo siya, dito, no, kasi bawal siya iwan yung mga pupo dyan, no. Baby, wait, mami, ha? Mom, finish na. Mami, finish na. Mami, finish na, ha? So, tayo ay magmas. You know naman. Baka titingnan tayo dito ng mga singkit. Bakit hindi tayo nagmas? Hi, baby love. Wait. Come here. Waffle, come here, baby. Thank you sa 5 million viewers. Now, sit down here, baby. Sit down first. Okay, come here. Come to mommy na. Come here. Okay, sit down. No, sorry. Sit down. Show to dad. You know how to behave. No, stay here. Mate. Stay here. Oide, stay. Oh, sorry. Sit down. Good job. Mate. Come here. Come, you're bushy. Come. Ay, excited, oy. Excited. Excited mo na, oy. You're bushy. You need to wear your bushy. Okay? John, I go out, ha, and mom come back soon, okay? Hello, sis! Salamat, sis! Mega mega love shoutout, the Walters. Tama ba yung pag-pronounce ko, sis? Sis, mag-check kami ng cherry blossom. Tingnan mo yung anak, Junakins ko. John, I go out. Excited siya dahil. Ay. Excited in tanang abat. Tingnan mo na. Tingnan. Come here. Come here, baby. What happened? Excited siya, day. Tingnan mo na. Unsa no? Nang kalo ni mo, eh. Dali, be. Ang kalo, be. Dali. Ang kalo. Dali, ang kalo. Yung sumbleva mo dong. Yung kaban, yung bag. Okay. Ay, ka-good boy ni mami. Good boy. Excited man yung baby ni mami. Excited. Okay.